Hello, everybody. It's me, NYSE Einstein, from the Florida New York Stock Exchange inside Wirtschaft. Giddy up. I believe it's July 13. I believe it's Thursday. And this market is hitting 2 days, 3 days in a row of all-time record highs on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, 21,553. I don't know if that's a closing record, but it sure does feel like one. The Russell up an odd lot, Spiders up reasonably. It's been a bit of a crazy day. Market was all over the place. Sold off this morning. I'm not really sure why. I mean, you're trading in a high, tight range. So when you see some of these short time-wise precipitous sell-offs, it could be any number of things. It could be engaging an oil trade. It could be engaging a headline. I don't really know what this morning's sell-off was. Early morning, if you look at the graph behind me, probably hit a technical point. I don't think it was significant. Okay? I know what it was. Janet Yellen was still talking. So basically, there are people who think that they could just pick up on a word. There are algorithms that are like robots that read her words, and there's certain words that make things go up and down. That could have been it. Anyway, after Europe closed, this market started the rally. We ended up going from all the way bottom left to all the way to the top right where we closed. We closed at the high of the day just about. This market does not want to go down. It's not engaging anything. Mr. Trump in France, Mr. Trump Jr. making a mess. I don't really know what's going on. We've got stuff going on. There's still the looming Russian thing. There's all this. Net at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a strong economy. We've got a balance sheet out of the Fed that's going to get unwound. We've got interest rates still at a super low. We've got the financials projected to have reasonable earnings in the beginning of this third quarter. Money coming into the market. It just doesn't want to go down. Nothing is engaging the downside. I think that the Federal Reserve and their chatter, Ms. Yellen yesterday and today, is keeping the market strong. And it's counter to our normal reaction to what she's saying. So, these raises, the unwinding of the balance sheet and the raising in interest rates are economically data driven. They're saying to us that the economy is actually okay. And sometimes, to be perfectly honest, I think they know things they don't really say to us. And the market seems to tell us what it really feels. The market feels like it's going higher. It's had so many opportunities to sell off, follow-throughs. We've seen 2 or 3, literally, over the last 3 or 4 months, sell-offs that were significant, and they still were short-lived. There was no follow-through day 2. So what does that mean? That there are bargain hunters everywhere. Market seems solid. Financials are up. All across the board, we've got retail that is in trouble, but you've got Amazon taking over that whole thing. You've got tech that's had some bit of a sell-off, but they've had double-digit gains this year. And across the board, markets have had double-digit gains. So net at the end of the day, things are good here. Things are solid. I'm having a hard day. Family problems, but please keep me and my family in your prayers. I love you all. Tomorrow's another day. End of this first week of the second quarter. We got option expiration. We got things to do, places to see, people to have fun with. I love you all. Have a schnapps on me. Giddy up.